Well, look who we got here. The dude landed on my shoulder. I was out there mowing the lawn. What do you think of that, huh, buddy? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What's up with that, huh? I was out there cutting the grass. Next thing I know, I got a bird on my shoulder. I think he likes me. I think I'm going to keep him. What do you think of that, buddy? Well, let's see if he goes up here. You climb up there, buddy? Whoop, relax, dude, relax. There we go. We perch it. I hope he don't poop on my table. What do you think of that, buddy? Yeah, let's see. Lori won't be home for a couple hours. Let's just see how this works. I'll just let him be, and we'll see what happens. Birdie, birdie, birdie.